Glamorous.
I think it's time for a glass of wine.
Wine o'clock.
It's 5 o'clock. Going to New York. Going to New York. Cheers. I don't want to sleep on the plane.
We should
party all
try.
night. I want to party.
I have a feeling I'm not going to be able to fall asleep, and then I'll just be up for 24 hours. Plus. There's literally two types of people. I'm wearing sneakers. You're wearing heels.
Do mine. Totally gonna have some of yours. Really beautiful.
We came back and ate our bagels, and I literally passed out for like an hour and a half. But the taste of scallion cream cheese is lingering. It's just in my mouth. It's like very potent. It's our first day in New York. It's our first day in New York. And she's got a show tonight, and it's only 9 a.m. So we're gonna go get like a proper cup of coffee because I need a proper cuppa. Looks like it's kind of groggy outside.
What do we wear for this groggy? Ooh, New York mood.
I need a coffee first. I haven't had any. And then we'll get changed into something cute because we literally overpacked. I mean, you could probably told me that without me telling you that I fucking overpacked. But I'm really proud of myself for napping, dude. I don't fucking nap. I do not nap. So I'm very happy because we're gonna have a late night at her show tonight.
I'm proud of you. You never know.
I know. So I'm kind of the groupie this weekend. I'm styling Kit's show and her pre-show outfit. And doing a lot of like content for her while we're at the show. And then we were like, when in New York, stay an extra 2 days after that, right? So a New York minute with my New York bitch. I love being a New York bitch. We can be New York bitches together. Look at this view. There's New York. A slice of New York.
Me doing business calls before coffee is
Like, not a good idea. Hi, beautiful girl. This is like hitting the spot. It's like very, very, very light, not bitter or anything. Good cappuccino.
Here's my outfit of the day for day one, part one. The shirt that I thrifted and cut, pink cargo pants, and these sunnies. We're gonna go walk around Central Park and grab a smoothie and just kind of like explore a little bit before we have to get ready for Kit's show. Oh, I need earrings. Nah, I don't care enough.
Really subtle cherry.
Where's the thong?
They're in here. They're in the white purse.
Oh, okay. And then where are the parachute pants?
They're in there.
Okay, let's talk shop. As I mentioned, I am styling Kit, the woman behind the camera, and we have two different outfits. One that she's actually gonna wear when we go to dinner right now, and then one that she's gonna wear when we perform. We perform.
It's a we.
We're
a freaking team, okay?
We're a unit. So for Kit's dinner restaurant / what she's gonna wear when she shows up to the venue for sound check is gonna be this blue
butterfly dress from Limited 2. It's literally from Limited 2. For her actual set, we were very, very, very inspired by Miss Brittany Jean. So we found this all from Jaded London, which was amazing. But we got this rhinestone bedazzle encrusted little baby doll tank top. And then we've got some parachute pants that give that really fun baggy Y2K feel. And she's gonna wear a white thong that peeks through to kind of pay homage to Britney and that kind of underground pop star lifestyle. That's what Kit Major's gonna wear. For my outfit tonight, I'm going to wear Kit Major merch, but I want to crop it because this isn't gonna fly. Need to crop that shit. Okay, y'alls, the base of my makeup is done. I'm going to do like get dressed in case Kit is able to do my makeup because she's so good at it.
You flatter me, oh my god.
So I cut the shirt like hella short because I'm gonna put this bralette under it so there's hopefully some like see-through or like lace poking from the bottom. So let's try this on. I'm gonna blur this.
Oh my god, that is so freaking cute.
And then I have these business shorts, very Ashley Simpson. Here's the club fit. And then I'm gonna wear my super chunky platforms. We got a little pre-show date. A little pre-show sister date. Yum. Oh my god, look at this drink.
This looks so beautiful.
This is like a pineapple matcha cocktail. Cheers.
Cheers, sister.
Alright, we got this kale and fennel salad, and this looks so fucking good. And then we got truffle gnocchi. Oh my god, if only you had smell-o-vision.
Thought you liked it better when we danced together. Well, you can go. I will stay right here, solo disco. You can go. I will stay right here, solo disco.
Maple. Good morning, New York. Day two, we are alive, but we're barely breathing. We're not hungover. It's just I'm severely dehydrated. We're getting ready. We're gonna go to brunchy, and then kind of like explore the city a little bit today. So we're gonna get dressed into something that's chic but sweatyable. Breathable. That's the vibe. It's like practical but cute. This is what I went with. I'm just doing something super simple. I'm experiencing really bad body dysmorphia and anxiety today. It's disappointing. Let's go eat. We just had brunchies, and now we're going into Bryant Park. Bryant? Last full day. Trying to get ready.
What are you thinking of wearing?
Pose. I'm tired.
I'm tired too.
Make coffee. That's cute.
Wait, is it?
No.
You like it like?
I mean, I'm not crazy about it. Not crazy about it.
I could ask
Part of me was thinking like literally the shirt I'm wearing now with this. If you're wondering if we had cookies for breakfast, you were absolutely right. These are from Levain. We heated them up. They're so fucking good. I already brushed my teeth, so I can't have any more right now, but I'm doing like a really casual outfit today. And I'll put my cowboy boots on. I cannot believe it's our last day. Too soon. She's so cute. Maple girl. Oh my, not in my hand. What?
You have such a long ponytail. Yeah.
Ah! my outfit analysis. We're gonna get ice cream. Off to get ice cream.
We just DIY'd these. Literally in the souvenir store.
Oh yeah, we have to keep vlogging.
My name is Chicky. Chicky.
This is the last outfit of the night. Do you want to share
My
what
name
you're
is
wearing?
Cha-Cha.
Cha.
Cha. I'm wearing Hill House Home. Vintage
Levi's?
Levi's. This is my mom's from college.
Ooh.
And then
Cute crossbody.
this is from Etsy.
I am wearing a little bralette. This is Kitty's. And then there's some thrifted and then some thrifted cargo shorts. And then I'm going to wear big ass platform boots. And I'm wearing same thing as last night, but I don't know if I said where it's from. This is from Isabel's Closet. And this skirt is from Princess Polly. And my boots are from Forever 21. I just got this ring today. Cute. I love a good white claw moment. Yes, I can help you.
Thank you.
Strategy. I'm so excited. We're getting freaking pizza tonight. Yay!